Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Somebody's had my seat warmer on. Mommy's used the car last.
Thanks.
Let's go. Okay, gonna hook up with my buddy Lim. Do you want to take this or that? This is already kind of dirty.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Where is this place?
It's out by the scrapyards, out by on Gore Road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So no point in taking both, right?
No.
Okay.
You know, I'll park and we'll take that.
Park?
Yeah.
You got ID for the number, right?
Well, it's mine.
Yeah, but I mean.
Well, she's got a car here too.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, park it and we'll
Okay. I'll park on the street. I gotta park there. So, my friend Lim, we're gonna go look at cars for him. Specifically at an auction. We'll see what the auction has to offer in the way of cars. Park right here. Now we're good. Okay, back from the auction. Kind of disappointing. We got to Copart and found out that you can't go in the yard today. But we were about 5 minutes late to get there. Because between, I think, 9 o'clock in the morning and the end of the auction, they don't let you into the yard. If we'd have been 5 minutes early, we could have went in the yard and checked out the car in person. There are pictures online, but it's kind of nice to see things in person. So Lim is online. He also found out that he can bid, but he can't win, which is kind of stupid, because some of the paperwork isn't in to Copart yet, and that's a business number, a copy of his driver's license, which actually isn't a copy. You just fill out the form, and something else. All that he can just do online, handy, but can't do it on your phone unless you have a PDF editor app, and he doesn't. So he's gone home to do what he can and get all the paperwork finished, and we'll see what if he wins a car today. It's a nice car. I'll see if I can find it. I'll put a picture on. So I'm off to the hardware store right now. I'm going to get a new switch for the bathroom light. Our switch has is doing some crazy stuff. I don't want the house to burn down, so I'm going to replace the switch. Switches shouldn't fail like that. It's crazy. Oh well. Just get a new switch, fix it. Done. So, back home. I've got my new switch here. It's just a simple on-off switch. And this is the switch I'm going to replace. Here's why. See that? I didn't switch it. Oh, look at it, works. Shouldn't do that. It should be off when I switch it that way. On that way, off, off. There we go. So something in there broken. We'll swap it out. I gotta get my multimeter and a screwdriver. Or 2 screwdrivers actually. New switch. Old switch. Wouldn't it be great if all the screws are the same color? That's what was there, so that's what I'm leaving there. Anyways, if you ever do this at home, get one of these. This tells you if it's live or not. See? Beep blue. It's not live. I'll show you what it does when it's live. That's live. Feeling that. One of these. Multimeter. Very helpful. No zappy. Heading down to my favorite place. Let's see what happens when we turn that breaker on. No screaming. That's a good thing. No lights. Oh! There's lights. Look at that. Fan works too. Perfect. Back out in the garage here. I'm going to take apart that old switch and see what is wrong with it. I know the switch is broken, but let's take it apart and see. There it is. And it just screws together. 4 little screws in the back. Okay, look at that. Little circuit board. Coil of sorts. Okay, so this is a dimmer switch. And here's the swiper thing that controls the brightness and dimness. Here's our switch. This is what was broken. Look at it there. It's, I noticed on the outside it's got a crack in it, so it, well, it's broken. I don't know how it got cracked, but it is anyways. Let's see how much further we can take this apart. So that comes off. That does a lot of nothing. I guess this gets, when it got soldered on, it got soldered on. Let's see if we can fix that. Solder removal. Here we go. Here's our little rocker switch. See? Focus. See how that is all corroded? That's why it wasn't turning on or off quite the way it should have. Sticking it was. Well, oh, there we go. Look at that. That goes in here, like so. And, well, you can see the black mark. That's where it let the smoke out. So when that happens, well, it doesn't like it. There's our swiper control thing. Controlled by a little thing there. And it goes along this potentiometer. So that tells little brain box here how much electricity to put out. Let's see here. What's that? That's probably a ground. Oh, that's sneaky. It's a really neat setup, this. There's our little potentiometer. You can see it going across in the back there. So the two contacts are on the back. I cut the one wire, contact for the one side. The other side's still on. It wasn't a ground that I cut. I say it wasn't a ground, and no, it wasn't. So, yeah, there we go. There's a MOSFET there that switches. You know what a MOSFET does. I don't need to explain it. But they use this this plate as a heatsink. It's kind of smart. There's a pot. You can adjust the amount of current, I think, it comes in and out. Huh. There we go. A couple of capacitors. Not much to it. Well, that was fun. So that's a broken switch in a nutshell, or out of the nutshell. Pretty simple, pretty neat ideas too. Like how this MOSFET, they've got it attached to the heatsink there, but it just plugs into this. That's pretty smart. So that goes together pretty quickly at the factory, I imagine. Oh, like that. There we go. Plugged back in. Not anymore. Smart setup. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for playing along. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll do something. Hopefully it'll be fun. I know hopefully later this week we'll be going out to the scrapyard, to the auction yard again to take a look at some other vehicles. Because there's lots there. And my buddy needs a car, so let's do that. Thanks for watching.